In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage passenger profiles with a mobile device. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new passenger, click the menu icon and click Manage Data. Then click Create Passenger. This will bring you to the Add New Passenger page. First from the top, enter the passenger's first name and last name. The middle name is optional. Then below, select the gender, the date of birth, and country of citizenship. In the next section below, travel document information will need to be entered. If this passenger will be used to cross into the United States on an eManifest, it's recommended to enter the passport document number. Then below, the type of document, in this case, select passport. To add additional information to the passenger, click Show All on the top right. Doing this will reveal fields such as adding a Fast ID or Ace ID, which is optional if the passenger has a valid Fast ID card or has a specific ID number associated with the Ace data portal. Once you add and verify that the data for this passenger is correct, go to the top and click Save, where you'll be brought to the Passenger Details page, where you can see an overview of all the passenger details. Once you're ready to create an ACE or ACI eManifest and you'd like to use this passenger, just create, in this case, an ACE eManifest, and after you add the driver, you can then quick assign the passenger in seconds by typing in the first few characters of the passenger's name, and it'll pop up for you. Just click it to assign it to the manifest. It's that easy. Or create a brand new passenger on the fly by clicking Add Passenger below and add the same information for the passenger from the beginning of the tutorial and just save it to add it to the manifest. In BorderConnect, you can also easily view and manage passengers entered into the system. To do this, click Manage Data and click Search Passengers. This will bring you to the passenger search page, where you can view, search, edit, or even delete passengers if they're no longer part of your fleet. And to learn how to create and manage passengers using a desktop or laptop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.